Here with me, I want you to feel the serenity of this green energy powered residential estate. I'm talking about the Capital Gardens and Capital Lofts, where we have the Capital Terraces, the 2-bedroom terrace and the 3-bedroom terrace. Smart investors, development has gotten to another level. I'll be flipping my camera over to show you what we have done so far. But if you don't subscribe to this channel, tell me how you're going to get updates. So hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you will stay updated. Okay, let me flip this camera and show you wonders. I will see you soon. Smart investors, welcome back. I decided to come to our fitness center to give you an area view of Capital Gardens. You can see I will still get close so that we can explore all the latest updates on site. But I want to show you that our playground, it's already up, and I'm going to be showing you our fitness center in this video. Okay, so let's keep watching. From here, you can see the Lekki-Epe Expressway. I don't know if you are seeing it, but our estate is positioned opposite the Lekki-Epe Expressway. Let's go see the fitness center. This is our fitness center. Take a look. It's lovely, right? This is all you'll be enjoying when you invest in Capital Gardens, okay? Smart investors, it's all progress in here in Capital Lofts, okay? Let's keep going. For my new subscribers that are wondering where this beautiful edifice is in, it's located in Idera scheme here in Ibeju, Lekki. Workers are on site. We started painting for other units, so now we have more units up. Remember the last time I came, I don't think we have even done the plastering work, but as of today we started the painting work already in some units. I'm going to turn from here so that we can have a better view of it. Okay, don't forget that you can key in with a 10% deposit. Okay, we have 2-bed terrace and we have 3-bed terrace. Don't forget, it's a solar powered estate, so be rest assured of 247 electricity, and I'm sure you love that. Smart investors, more units are up, and we started work. We started painting, we started plastering. Is this not good? Congratulations once again to you all that already keyed into Capital Gardens. Take a look. This is one off-plan project I'm so proud of, and I'm proud of you for listening to me. Okay, I'm proud. So if you are here to listen to me, send me a WhatsApp message or call the number displayed on your screen, so that when I come for this kind of updates, you'll be glad that your units are here and you are happy to follow up everything going on here. We have enough to work with. These are our tiles. We have enough, and we've already started the estate road. We started the sand filling and we started working on the road. We are going to put interlocking stones, just as you saw in the other part of the video. The estate is going to look so beautiful. The serenity in this estate is going to be top notch. This place is a home for you. Take a look. We are already doing the estate pathways. Look at what we are doing, smart investors. Remember this unit. See the stage at which it has gotten to. Remember this unit. See the stage at which it has gotten to. Smart investors, please give us our flowers, okay? There are other units. We are not done. We are not done, okay? We are not done. It's an off-plan project. And when did we start? We started sometime last year, but we began projects this year, and you can see how fast we are. We mean business in here. It's a serious business. More units are coming up, and more units will keep coming up, smart investors. So call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen so that we can get you started. Okay? You can't visit here and not see workers on site. That's an error. Workers are always on site working. Smart investors. So this is it. Good thing that we are making progress. With the rate at which we are going, delivering on this project at the time we gave you is doable. Okay, thank you viewers for sticking around till the very end of this video, of this beautiful tour and site updates at Capital Gardens. I'll be expecting your calls and your WhatsApp message to lock in the 2-bedroom terrace or the 3-bedroom terrace duplex in here. Till I come your way again, enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.